Hey guys, so today we're going to be making one pan egg toast. So I'm going to do 2 tabs of butter because the pan needs to be really slick so that the egg toast doesn't stick. And then I have 2 scrambled eggs that I'm going to pour in here once the butter's completely coated the pan. You're also going to need something to flip. Today I'm just going to be using a spatula. Out of all the videos I've watched people do this, I've seen people use like chopsticks that people cook with, but I don't have those, so I'm not going to do that today. You could put cheese in it, you could put like jelly, you could put whatever you want, but I'm just going to use, I think I'm going to use some jelly today. Let's see how it looks first, but you don't want your pan on too high, you don't want it too low, so I'm just doing a medium heat right now. And I'm going to go ahead and pour in my eggs. It's just 2 scrambled eggs. And what you're going to want to do is you want to make sure that this is a little bit cooked before you put your bread on, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about in a second. So this is the bread I'm using. It's just sandwich bread by Sally Lou, Petra Farm. Just sandwich bread. So this bread is a little bit smaller. You could use bigger bread if you want. I'm just going to use this one today. Look how tiny this is. So we're kind of just waiting until the egg is a little bit cooked. Kind of like when we were making the omelet, we want to make sure we have a good base so that when we actually flip it, it doesn't go all over the place. Just doing like that so that the uncooked egg is getting cooked. And that layer is pretty thick, so again, you want to make sure it's pretty much cooked before you start flipping. Okay, so right here is when you're gonna wanna put in your toast, and what you wanna do, because you want both sides to be crispy, so you're gonna wanna go like that, and then flip it. That way when you turn it over, it'll be really good on both sides. Like that. And what we're gonna do eventually is we're gonna put these sides on the other side after we flip. I'm gonna check it really quick. Yeah, this is just about ready to go. I'm gonna wait just a few more seconds. Okay, so then what you want to do is you want to take these flaps, sorry guys, I just knocked the tripod, and then you want to put it up onto the toast like this. And if you need 2 spatulas to flip it, guys, just do it, you know, like make it easy on yourself, like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some jelly in here. I like grape, but you guys can use strawberry if you want to. So I'm just gonna do a little jelly, like that. And a little bit over here. And this is the pen I'm using, just Smucker's grape. And then I'm gonna flip this. Watch this. Ta-da! That's so crazy, right? All right. And then you have your one pan And it's fully cooked and you can take it out. So let's take it out and slice into it. And that's it. This is the one pan egg toast.